Hello, and welcome to my unboxing and reviewing of the Lego Tantive IV boarding set. If you haven't subscribed already, you should subscribe. It's review time! So I'm going to start with reviewing the minifigures, starting with the one that doesn't even make sense in this set. Fives. Now, I happen to be a Five stan, so I'm just happy to have a minifigure of him, and I don't care if if he should be dead, because I want a Fives minifigure so I can make a good stop motion. Now, I quite like this minifigure. I think that it's really cool how there are, like, details on the arms. I think that you don't always see that with minifigures, and it's really cool when they end up actually doing it. I also really like the detail they gave to the backpack. One of my negatives is I wish that they could make this, like, shoulder plates, like, from Ninjago. I feel like that would look cooler if they just made this piece plastic, like the shoulder things. And yeah, I feel like the paint on his helmet should, go all the way to the back. And because the paint only goes to the front and it just seems plain. Also, he's too clean. He needs a little bit of, like, battle damage or something. But overall, I actually kind of liked it. On to Vader. So, I've been a Lego fan for, I don't even know how many years, like, at least 5, and this is my first Vader minifigure. So, I just love this figure. I am going to use him in stop motions, like, all the time. I think that his helmet is super detailed, and so is the printing on the rest of his body. He, again, has arm printing. A feature that I love about it is that, like, the helmet is in 2 pieces, which is really cool. Captain Antilles is a boring old character. So are the Stormtroopers. So are the Rebels. Now on to reviewing the rest of the set. One of my favorite things about this set is that they made it so that you could display it really well, and it would look really good, but they also made sure it was very playable. Like, that's cool. And then also, you got, like, the... I think that this looks really nice. It looks super clean, as well as being really fun. And yeah, that's about all I have to say about this. Please subscribe, because this is what's coming next, and you're not going to want to miss it.